Imagine this. What if the plastic bottle you threw each day never leaves up here? Hello everyone! I am Kerisma Wanti, student number 240107 and today I'm going to talk about two videos that completely changed the way I see plastic. The first video is called The Plastic Vintage, and the second one is Why 99% of ocean plastic pollution is missing. At first, I thought plastic was just an ordinary thing we use every day. But after watching these two videos, I realized that plastic has much bigger and more dangerous story than we can imagine. And honestly, the second videos give me chills. So, let's talk about it. Watching the plastic vintage, I saw how plastic was once considered an incredible invention. Plastic made human life easier, cheap, practical, lightweight, and useful for almost everything, like drinking bottles, food packaging, and household tools. Even the product used every single day without realizing it, our life have become highly dependent on plastic. And my opinion, that is both of the most interesting and the most worrying part because the human create something to make life easier. But in the end, it's become a threat to the earth. Then I watched the second video. I suddenly the atmosphere completely changed. The video why 99% of ocean plastic pollution is missing made me realize that plastic waste in our ocean does not actually disappear. Most it upturned into microplastic, extremely small, almost invisible, but still there. And that is what makes it terrifying because microplastics are not only in the ocean, they also enter the bodies of fish, they enter our food, and eventually they can enter the human body too. The saddest part of me was imagine marine animals mistaking plastic for food. Sea turtles, fish, seabird, they do not realize that what they are eating is actually dangerous. And all of this happened because of human habits. In my opinion, the comparison between that videos is very powerful. The first video show human create a plastic culture. Meanwhile, the second video show the consequence of that culture. One video talks about the beginning of plastic and the other show the result of it. From this video, I learned one important thing. Plastic pollution is not only about trash, it is about human behavior. Something we say is just one plastic bottle, just one straw, just one plastic bag. But imagine of billions of people think the same way every day, the earth will continue to be filled with waste. The ocean will become more polluted, and future generations will suffer because of our habits today. After watching that video, I started asking myself questions. Do I still use too much single-use plastic? Have I really tried to reduce plastic waste? And have I done enough to care for the environment? I realize big change actually begin with small action. Bringing your own tumbler, using reusable bags, reducing plastic straws, and throwing trash in the right place. This action may seem simple, but if we do them together, they can create a hard change. If I had to explain the message of the two videos in the one sentence, I would say plastic makes human life easier, but humans must be responsible for the damage it causes. This video made me realize that plastic is not just an ordinary object. Plastic is part of human life, but it's also one of the world's biggest environmental problems. And maybe we cannot change the world instantly, but we can try with ourselves. Start with small habits, start today, reduce plastic, protect the ocean, save our future. Thank you for watching. See you.